Hi guys, Chef Polly Baboli. I'm looking forward to cooking with you soon. We're going to have a lot of fun. This food tonight here is just going to be fantastic. It's a lot of fun as well. So this video is meant to get you guys prepared for when we cook together. And in doing that, what I want you to do is get all of your ingredients, collect them, set them out, get them measured if you have the time for it. Doesn't matter if you don't, but just get them on hand. This isn't like a video on YouTube where you can stop and start. It's live and it's going to keep on moving. So try to get yourself set up beforehand. Let me show you what I've got going. For the drink, this burning knees drink, I've got my glasses ready. The ingredients are all here. The cardamom seeds we sent to you. We will be smoking these things. So you're going to need a torch or a lighter, and make sure you have that on hand. Shaker, the whole deal. And that'll take care of the drink. This is going to be a lot of fun. It's really cool. So for the flatbread, we've got two different fillings that we're going to do. One that's animal protein and one that's vegan version. But all the rest of the ingredients are identical regardless of which version you're doing. So I've got all that set out. So for the protein, I've given you options. We've used lamb, we've used pork. I've got a blend actually tonight that I'm going to do. And any of that will work great. If you're doing a vegan version, you're going to use tofu. Try to get smoked tofu if you can find it. If you cannot find it, no big deal. Regular extra firm tofu will do just fine. You probably want to dry that out as much as you can ahead of time. So take it out of the package, wrap it up in paper towel, put it on a plate, put it in your fridge, let it dry out. That'd be great. And then of course we've sent you this really great Middle Eastern spice mix that we put together. That's going in no matter which version you're doing, you're going to use this. You're going to need to zest an orange, so you'll probably need a file grater for that. I usually set out a couple of spoons for tasting and mixing and stuff. You're going to need spoons for blending and all of that sort of thing. So get yourself ready to go with that. As far as the base that goes underneath these flatbreads, in the animal protein version, we're going to do a mix of butter and feta. And if you've got a food processor, get that ready, pull it out, because that's the best way to blend this up. That's going to go underneath the pork or lamb or whatever it is you're doing there. If you're doing the vegan version, just hummus will be your base. That's fine. You can just go ahead and pick whichever hummus you like. You can have it flavored or just straight up, and that'll be great. And of course, you're going to need the flour tortillas as the flatbreads. As far as pans and equipment goes, it's pretty simple. We're going to need something flat and big enough to take the glasses for the drink, because we're going to smoke something on this and we're going to turn the glasses on top of it. So make sure you've got something big enough like a sheet pan to put two glasses, or if you're just making a single glass, just a regular small pan will do the job. For the ground beef, of course, or the tofu, a big non-stick will do the job there. And then again for the flatbreads, for actually searing them on each side, you know, I'm going to use a cast iron skillet. I'll be able to get two at a time in here. You can do them in batches. You could use the same non-stick that you make the protein with, just clean it out before we go ahead and do the flatbreads. So you don't have to have an extra pan if you don't want to. But I'm going to go ahead and go, you know, with an extra pan and just keep on moving. That's it. So takeaway, find all your ingredients, find all your gear, get it set up. When we get together, we're going to have a ton of fun. See you then.